everyone, happy new year. Welcome back to my channel. It is Mean with Me, aka Mimi. I am back. This is my first video of the year. I am excited to be back and doing videos. So the look that I have created today is this cut crease. I actually did this for New Year's Day. Well, New Year's Eve going into the New Year's Day, but I didn't film it, so I decided to film it today. I had a different color that day on the list, which was a pinkish nude color, but I decided to go with something more bold for the video. So I hope you guys try it out. I know I sound sick right now. It's probably annoying y'all, but pray for me so I can get better. But yes, I hope you guys try this look out. I really enjoy how this look came out. I am loving this glitter. It is from the NYX. I believe it's $5.99. So I hope you guys try it out. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for more videos every week. Turn on that notification so you can see the video every time I post one. And I'll see you guys on the next one. So now to highlight and contour, I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Concealer in the shade 4.5. And I'm going to be using on top of that a little bit, just like maybe one dot of the Tarte Shape Tape. And this is in the color Tan Sand. So I'm going to be using both of these to highlight. And to contour, I'm going to be using the Black Opal Foundation Stick. I'm going to be using this to contour. So, let's get started. Now I'm going to be taking this banana powder by the Luxury Baking Powder Revolution, and I'm just going to be setting that under my eyes and anywhere else that I highlighted. And now to continue all over my face, to set all over my face, I'm going to be using my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in the color Dark. Using this shade as a transition. Second color that I'm going for is this light aqua turquoise color right here, and I'm going to be applying that directly above my crease and into the crease, if that makes any sense, with the same brush. So now we're going to be taking this color right here, is a darker green, and we're going to be putting that directly on the crease. This is going to be a smoky cut crease glittery eye. So the look is coming together. Now we're going to be applying this black on the outer corner, and this is just going to make it even more smokier, deeper. We're just going to apply that right here. I should take my other brush. Take this brush. It has more of a point. I'm going to be applying this right here in the outer corner and a little bit into the crease. And now I'm just going to take my brush and blend that in. Now I'm going to be taking my LA Girl Pro Concealer, and I'm just going to be cutting my crease. So you should have something that looks like this. And now I'm going to be applying this eyeshadow right here. And the reason why you just don't want to apply the glitter just on top like that, because it's not really going to show. So you need like something on top of that. So I'm using this light color to, you know, make it shine a little more. So now I'm going to be taking this glitter from NYX. It's in the color 06. Yeah. And I already took my duo glue. So I'm going to take the duo glue and apply it, just a thin layer on my lid. Because I don't have the other one, which is like the lash for which is like the adhesive for the glitter. So I'm just using the duo glue. I don't really like to use this because I feel like my eyes feel a little bit stuck when I look up, but let's do this. And you just want to apply a thin layer of the duo glue because this is glue and it can make your eyes stick together if you put way too much. This is such a beautiful glitter. Now I'm going to be doing the same thing and applying the colors on my bottom lash. The same color scheme. Applying this turquoise. So I just applied some eyeliner, and now I'm going to be applying my contour. This is from the CoverGirl Queen collection in the color Q120. So I'm just going to be applying a little bit right here. And this is the look that I had for New Year's Day. I wish I would have recorded it that day. So today I could have recorded something else, but I mean, it looks good. It came out the same exact way. I don't know if I want to apply a different color on the lips. And this is like my holy grail. Like, I love this CoverGirl. I think they call it a bronzer. Yeah, they call it a bronzer. I absolutely love this stuff. It's so hard to find because you can't really find it in stores like that anymore. But I ordered this off of Amazon. And it came pretty fast. So I'm just blending that out. So I'm just going to be taking my mineralized skin finish and just going underneath. I would put the translucent powder here, but sometimes I don't like how it leaves that line. So I just rather do this to just clean it up a little bit. And now I'm going to be applying my highlights. And I use my Anastasia Glow Kit in the color, well, this is the Glow Kit in Sweets. It's right here, Sweets. And I'm going to be mixing two of these colors together, Taffy and Butterscotch. So the color that I'm going to be using on my lips is from MAC. Is in the color Young Attitude. I was going to use the color that I did for New Year's Eve, but I don't know. I want to change the lip color. So I was going to apply this nude pinkish lip, but I'd rather do this because I feel like it's more bold and it goes with everything as well. So now I'm going to be taking my Mario Badescu skincare setting spray. This stuff right here is so good. I would usually use the NYX setting spray, but I feel like I don't like it anymore because it just makes my makeup look different, like the color of my foundation. I don't know what's going on with that, but since I discovered this, I actually like it. This is my second time purchasing this, buying this. So yes, I'm done with that and white egg setting spray. So I'm gonna just spray this all over my face. Yes, I spray a lot. And this bottle was about, I think, $5. This is a small one. So, yeah.